Hey, so the Sound Lab program is acting strange. This big clock popped up and now nothing's working. Wait, do you hear that?
New sound detected.
A new sliding vowel sound? Let's listen and see if we can figure out what it is.
Boy, oil, noise, annoy.
All of those words had the same sliding vowel sound. Did you hear it? They all have the oi sound. Today, let's learn how to spot the oi sound in words. Let's start by saying the sound oi together slowly. Pay attention to the way your mouth moves. Ready? Oi. Did you notice how your lips move from being rounded into a stretched out smile? Oi. And your tongue slides from the back of your mouth forward. Try it again. Oi. Awesome. Now that we know how the sliding vowel sounds and feels, let's learn the two different ways to spell it. The Sound Lab is showing two ways to spell the oi sound. Let's check out the first one. Here's a list of words. Get your guided notes ready and circle the letters that make the oi sound in each word.
Soil, join, oil.
What letters did you circle? All of these words use oi to spell the oi sound.
Remember, use letters OI when oi is in the middle of a syllable.
Can you think of another word that might use oi to say oi? Pause to add it to your guided notes. Awesome! I thought of spoil. Time for a challenge. Before the Sound Lab lets us move on, we have to pick the word that spells oi with oi. Which one is it? Circle your answer in your guided notes. If you picked coin, great job. The oi sound is in the middle, so it's spelled with oi. Let's check out another way to spell the sliding vowel, oi. Here's our next list of words. In your guided notes, circle the letters that spell the oi sound in each word. Ready?
Boy, soy, enjoy.
What letters did you circle this time? All of these words use the letters oy to spell the oi sound.
Use OY when oi is at the end of a syllable.
Can you think of another word that might use oy to say oi? Pause here and add it to your guided notes. I thought of toy. Now, let's pick the word that correctly spells oi with oy. Which one is it? Circle the answer in your guided notes. Oi comes at the end of the word joy, so it's spelled with oy. Nice work. Here's our last challenge.
To complete the Sound Lab for oi, select the correct spelling for this word, oil.
What do you think? Does oil use OI or OY to spell the OI sound? Circle your answer in your guided notes. Did you circle OI? That's right. How'd you know? The word oil is one syllable and the OI sound isn't at the end, which means we have to use the spelling OI.
Sound lab complete.
Thanks for all your help today. Now you know that there are two ways to spell the sliding vowel OI. OI in the middle of a syllable and OY at the end. Next time in the Sound Lab, we'll put our brains to the test with a review game. Can you tell the difference between oi and ow? Until then, keep practicing with the activities that go along with this lesson. I'll see you soon. Remember, stay clever and keep reading.
Hey.